Okay, there's a nice tram up there. I guess we'll know what a nice tram it is. In the centre, that is. Our first freight train of the day, as off goes said tram, is going to be a DB Cargo UK Class 66. Yes, it's a shed. It's a shed. And it is going from Lindsay Oil Refinery to Kingsbury Oil Sidings. And the DB Cargo man completed the bid will be at the helm of this once the driver change has been complete. So the world will be a better place. And there could be a front of weight behind her, I think. What have we got? We've got a green BC tank in there, I can see. Not sure what number yet, so I'll have to find out. Got the EWS, grey EWS tanks, if you like. Beige or grey, what do you want to call it? Oh no, we got the bound tank straight away. Yep, there they are. Got the BC bound tank straight away. Okay, and this is being worked by 66039. Looks like it's still in EWS Simmery. This is maroon, of course. Looks to move the beige on it. See that? Yes, it's a shed. It's a shed on this one. That's right. Stopping drivers. Driver Sam's door shut. There, I think is 222-009. I think. It will eventually be forming the series 2 London St Pancras of all places. Signal just gone green. It's green already anyway. So I'll put it down. Yep. Off now goes 66039 then. DB. And we'll have a good feature on these trains. Yes, already. Scores answer. 870-204 then leads the way over here. 870-229. Obviously there's some writing on the tanks as well. 870-227. And there is a green VTD tank there. It's on 002 with VC stickers present on there. 870-207. 870-322. 870-279 there by the looks of things. 870-274. 870-283. Here come the bound tanks. You got 745. These stickers on. 8209. These stickers on. Oh no. 8211. These stickers on there. Oh dear. 803. There we go. And 8 pound bound tanks. This is loads of brown tanks there. 870. But then 8 pound bound 50. Another brown tank. 870-221, simple right there. 870-223, and there's a blue tank, V flag, 8048 with V stickers on. present on there. 80335, you bring me a tank in this road. 80236, 870 yeah, 870 plenty. It's that course there's no VC tank. It's 1004. Putting that bank visible on there and face on it. It's a 233. 80271. 870 Voyager if you like, and 870 which is another between us and Leap Dog, really? 80339, flat wheels, 870 and that's it. Decent length, not too bad on the variety front. Although I think it's safe to say the US tank's dominated below there today. And there were 7 brown tanks, so it could have been more, but not bad. I'll happily take it. So there's that one. Okay, arriving now there is a Turbostar Cross Country service from Cardiff Central. 170-101, one of the 3-car Turbostars involved there. So there we go. I would have said welcome on if it was Nottingham Express Voyager, so yeah, we are at Nottingham anyway. So we're going to see East Midlands Railway, Cross Country, Northern and Freight. So and also Nottingham Express Transit as well, forgot to mention them. 125 on the low emissions trains on the works that runs today, not bad. There's 195020 that just terminated in on a northern service from presumably one would imagine. So there's that one. Yeah. Over here, I believe, no. That's 2019, not 009. It is actually 22019 there. Whilst I do miss the East Midlands trains livery, that is surely to go soon. The interim livery, the interim East Midlands Railway livery, it's alright, I like it. It's a great colour scheme. But the fact I miss the old livery will just make me feel a bit sad. But you know, with the it's good. I just prefer these from Trace of myself. They're a great colour scheme still. Always good. Yeah, we're going to be at Nottingham, so let's get to cracking. Well, I had it already cracking, but yeah. Anyway. Okay, starting up there whilst I'm at it is 22019, ahead of the London St Pancras working. Okay, we've got an inspector leaving up there, 201, Jane Torburn and Christopher Dean off Phoenix Park. That one is running under its, that was running under its electrical power. Departing now will be the Turbostar and Cross Country to Cardiff Central by Birmingham New Street. And so this will be running under diesel power. And it's a Turbostar.
Platform 6A for the 10-12 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras.
And this one?
Loughborough, Leicester, Market Harbour, Kettering and London St Pancras. This train is called for 5 services. First class accommodation is towards the
So it's 17638.
bicycle spaces
Yep.
are at the very front.
That's a flag there. Whoa! They have good sound powering up. Wow! They have good sound powering up. They really do. They do. I like it. Oh God! I love turbos. Goodness, I do love turbos. They thrash. Well, good some of their powering up in this case, so not bad. I like it. Okay, over there goes Nottingham Express Transit service. 213 Mary Potter. I believe on the unadvertising ones with the theatre or bogies somewhere on there. Certainly out of shot from where I'm standing. So yeah, I'll have the Meridian for you and the the Meridian for you and whatever else. Next. Okay, parking now is the Thames Railway service to London St Pancras. This is going to be running under diesel power. And also coming in is going to be a service East Midlands Railway from London to Pancras as well. Also running on diesel power. There you go. And it is going to be worked by Class 180 Adelante. In the form of 180 111. Ow. I say ow. Don't need new ears, however, but squeaky brakes. Yeah. That's all. Up there is single demi. Just found that, so I thought I might as well get it. Why not? In fact, it was not worth stopping that because we also have coming in another East Midlands. As we also have an East Midlands Railway coming in off to Crewe, I believe. And the crew says we works by a Turbostar. Actually, that's good. Good to see 170's back on there. Makes a change. It's good to see them on a different route.
Sunday, due to our service in operation in both directions at 7 times.
As you can see, first starts us towards the rear of the this train over there, the train over there. We'll see it go out in a minute. There goes another tram there. Can't tell your number. No. Okay, got 2 services now going out here. Got 2 services here. Let's see which one's going first. The Northern service first. So first up is this. Service to Leeds, worked by 105.0 Transit. And then the service to Crewe. Which is worked by Super 3-car Turbostar on this one. Very nice. £170,419 appears to have the honours for it. Wow. And that's off to Crewe, believe it or not. It is actually bound for Crewe. Wow. Cool. And there's also coming in over there is a East Midlands Railway from Skegness, worked by one of the former Greater Anglia 156s in the interim livery there. So there's that one also. Here got the Hucknall 2 Terminators coming for us as it's a 5-coach. Citadis. 2 children, 2 movie like 2 Davis Stewart OBE. On that one there. Just there. There it is. It's going off. Okay, we've got 2 seats coming. We've got an in centre, it's a 5-coach. And then it's a 5-car. 260 minutes on Jack Wheeler. And also coming in is a cross country Super Voyager service from yes, I said that right. Super Voyager service from Birmingham New Street, worked by 221141, one of the 4-car Super Voyagers. To a 950 standard. Phoenix Park. As over there you'll find the East Midlands Railway class 156, one of those ones. Wasn't expecting to see that, I must admit. Short of turbos, are they? What an inclusion to have my train spotting group just for because it's going up. Yeah. Why not whack a Super Voyager on just for a bit of variety? Oh dear. Oh, and worth noting, unlike Avanti's Super Voyagers, used to be for Virgin, Cross Country also used to be for Virgin as well, have the tilting mechanism disabled on those, so yeah. You could say they are modernised Super Voyagers if you want to, with no tilting. As coming in now, we've got 207 by the looks of things. Running on the electrical power with a service to Hucknall from Toton Lane. Very nice indeed. I came down here not expecting to see something like what Cross Country put out. I wasn't even thinking about it. Oh. Hey presto. all we need now is a standard Voyager and a Bristol. Well, a 5-car Super Voyager and the standard Voyager and a Bristol. I'd still take just the Super Voyager nonetheless, because why not? Okay, it's coming in now with the service to Tottenham Tunnel running under electrical power. Fossil TK's is one. Look. 224 Vicky McClure. I think that's the BAFTA logo on there, if I'm not too mistaken, that gold thing. And there goes that tram as well. That 156 that came in is bound for Liverpool Lime Street. Or will be. We also have coming in another East Midlands Railway service. This is going to be working a service from Cardiff Central to Leicester. No. Can't be. I want to say Grimsby Town to Leicester, I think. So it's got the interim delivery on this one though. And it is a 158. Got the interim delivery on it. It's like we on the 77 ones. Obviously. We also have a service to Clifton's are coming in for Nottingham Express Transit also. Okay. 158774 and one of the G5 one electrical power is 220 decibels. Halloween's over though. You ought to advertise Christmas, Jay Hopkinson. H. Hopkinson, sorry. They ought to advertise Christmas. Because that's the big event next. Oh, there goes the tram. Me coming here to not expect a Super Voyager. Wow, and the Tornado 92, if you're watching, because I know you were at Nottingham, because I know you did a film from here. Next time you come here, well, do keep on your toes, because do keep yourself on your toes during the day, is my advice. Because I just found a Super Voyager and, well, yeah. It's always good to be prepared. So, if you're watching on Tornado 922, then, well, yeah. Beware, because during the day, there can be a Super Voyager or Voyager when you least expect it. So, yeah. Okay, departing now. We'll have the Social Night coming in shortly. There's no announcement for Norwich yet. So I declare there is enough time to get this Leicester service. Yes. Of course there is. That is a good sound. from 158774. I love the 158s when they power up. I do love the 158s when they power up. They're brilliant. And we'll see that tram go out in a minute. I did say there was a Norwich not far away, so we'll go ahead and see that. There's a service to Liverpool Line Street coming in over there too. Here we are. Also got this coming in. Running under electricity. Fastest articulated one. 214. Deans McCarthy MB East. Force Cup Plus from Lost Newcastle. On all the cars. As we also have coming in some running diesel power and Eastern also to Norwich coming in. Works by 158856. And 158812. The unit that is in the newer style of the East Midlands Transit will be starting terminating, will detach here, go to the sidings, but might even wait here for all I know. And then the front one, which is in the older style of the East Midlands Transit, will be going forward to call at Grantham, Peterborough, Ely, Thetford and Norwich. As they've got a Nottingham Express Transit departing, back 2 Nottingham Express Transit services departing. Here's one bound for Hucknall. 2 for 4, 2 times after this. Electricity. My sparks and pantograph. Not sure if the camera caught them, but there we are. Oh, and also coming in was another tram. It's off to Phoenix Park. So, yeah, there we are there. Fortunately, unfortunately one lift is in operation state. As you can see, that one, the Otis Gen 2, is currently out of order at the moment. Also have departing. The Lord is there. 205. And here comes a crossover with Citadis. Both going like the clappers. Here's the second one. 2 to 8 local armed forces heroes. The first bound for Clifton South from Phoenix Park. And that one was going to, well, nice spark there. Not to the chemicals. I was going to Phoenix Park from Clifton South. Okay, our first of today's 6 and 3 services will be worked by an Incentro. There it is. Sorry about that. There we go. And this will be 208 Dynaminton. And it was not worth stopping that because passing over there is Eastern Light Service to Grimsby Town from Lincoln Central with a 156 at Sunbury, taking that one away. Excuse me. Shipston Street, home to the ships. You'd wish. Okay, and it looks like it's about ready to go. Still got the other buttons. My spark from the pantograph. Here the 180 on tick over quite nicely right now. Sounds good. And also down there was a 170 of saw earlier. That'll be working the 1041 Cross Country Turbostar service to Birmingham New Street. Okay, the passing now is going to be the 1041 Cross Country Turbostar service to Birmingham New Street via Derby. Calling at Derby, Burlington, Tamworth, Warnercote and Birmingham New Street, which... And so it's being worked by 170 101. I also have a tram coming in over here. Going to Nottingham Express. 02 has the honours for this one. There's also supposed to be Sparkle South coming in. Worked by 225 Doug Scott CVE. Okay, and she's about ready to go. Tiny little sparks there, perhaps off pantograph. Look to be a couple. Oh, it's blown. So this there goes off. And then we'll have a service coming in off to Shipston Street. And it'll be a Citadis on the second one. Tell by the indicators moving. And the second one today is going to be with 230 George Green. Okay, and she's about ready to go. Shipston Street. Moving on that display. And then our next train, tram, is right over here. It said train for some reason, I don't know why. Well, I'm at Nottingham and it's trains and transit, that's why it can be confusing sometimes. Oh, so Tutnell coming in. TT9 Vivian Nansen MB probably. And here's 260. Bing! It's running under electrical power, the service to Clifton South. And it looks like that was going to go straight in one go. Well, no, maybe not. But we'll go down anyway. Because as we know, there's this. So it's to Barton Under Street. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, and you could probably just make it out over there if you're lucky. Just through the reflection of the buildings. There goes 229 Vivian SME running under electricity SS2. Hospital consultation lane. It looks like it says it's going to Birmingham New Street then. So it must be ahead of a swap or something. Parting now though is going to be the turn 47 East Midlands Railway Line Street. Line Street. Passing just about bang on time. A few seconds early, but you know. 156 413 in its solid blue livery with yellow doors is with 158 788 in the full East Midlands trains in the East Midlands trains livery, bringing up the rear. Running on the diesel power there. Isn't that supposed to be covered up? No. Oh well. Looks like it's ready to go anyway. So the passing now is going to be the Tram 50. East Midlands Railway Adelante says does folks the Wasn't calling it Ilkeston up from Chesterford Table Stockport, Mass Piccadilly, Mass off the road, what's that to Windsor, Port Start Park in Liverpool Line Street. And then this one is going to be calling at Leicester, Market Harbour, Kettering and London St Pancras. 18111. Takes this one away. So there goes that one. And there goes 212, William Booth, some brand new all over advertising. We'll find out what that is when we get the chance to. I will keep her rolling though, as we will also have a terminating East Midlands Railway service from Worksop coming in, and also terminating East Midlands London St Pancras coming in as well. So first of all, here's the service from Worksop. Works by Turbo Aubergine.
and Newcastle. This train is called for 2 coaches.
Don't quite know what the number is for that one. Just at the moment. We do have some meetings versus some pancreas coming in. Some on the 222 Meridians, a 222-011, honouring our veterans World War I centenary or centenary if you like, several to the battalion 1940 to 1980. Although it has been stripped of its, although it's already stripped of its vinyls, mind you, on the side. On the sides, anyway. Probably better off for saying you some phrase every on that, but anyway. Another tram going next to this, as also passing through now. It's going to be a freight train, so we'll see that coming in the next curve. Okay, looks like it's that bit closer now. Passing through is going to be a GBRF 66, GBRF class 66.
Remember the 3 S's.
Working the coal train from Birmingham Humberside Bus Terminal GBRF to Rockford Power Station GBRF. Bit of a contrast in liveries here. We've got a GBRF with 66 here, a BWS with hoppers. So doing all the work is 66,787 and 40844 410 310 656 310 122 310 058 310 101 310 390 310 696 310 132 310 67 310 185 there 310 843 310 251 310 028 310 369 there 310 787 310 365 310 681 310 662 what was it? 310 070 310 272 and 310 816 and that's it.
On Sunday, a reduced hourly service will be in operation in both directions with extended journey times. For more information, please speak to staff or visit the East Midlands Railway website.
For Rockford Power Station, GBRF there. Okay, just arrived in also is terminating Northern Service from Leeds with 195 023. As that there is 125.03 from Crewe to Newcastle. always good to see these stretch legs a bit. This way. What about 812's next service is going to be Norwich. Some of that talk to isn't Governor. 222? 221, you fool. Get it right. Well, where do I get 222 from? Some parts of that 221 are in God knows what state. There we go. I got it right eventually. I don't know what happened to me. I was, oh. Right. I'll show you 222, all right. There you go. There's that's 222. That's 221. Right. Okay. I'm glad we got that sorted. Have to, I just had myself a Tornado 92 moment there. (221.141). Now I will say this. Tornado has kept wondering why some of the forecasters was, or at least one of them, because he was said to leave a fire. I believe it's actually an original forecast 221, but actually, I think the actual reason is possibly Virgin Trains got involved with centre car coaches, and then to reinstate some cross countries working to support coaches. So, yeah. And we also have coming in a terminating cross-country service, so I'm having to run a little because it's just coming from here, so I need to get the number. Okay, here we go. Nice new bogies on there from 170. 620. Cool. Let's have another look around. This is okay, passing now is 17620 to the sidings.
Platform 5B is the 1107 Cross Country
nearby East off there.
Cardiff Central via
Once it then comes back, it will then form ASOs to Birmingham New Street
Beeston, Long
afterwards.
Derby, Burton on Trent, Tamworth, Birmingham.
There will be another Ships and Street service coming in because
Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Gloucester, Newport, and Cardiff Central.
we also have a terminated Eastern Lighthouses and some Pancras coming in. There's another one there, 2 Meridians, running on the diesel power.
Platform 5B from the 1107 Cross Country service.
22007 to 2 James Bond, 007. Could do with the clean, that must be said. So something there, then ships will be right behind that. And also departing will be the 1107 Cross Country service to Cardiff Central. It may be subject to a swap over at Birmingham New Street, but I don't know. It's at least bound for Birmingham New Street, but the actual service is full would be Cardiff Central, calling it Eastern, Nottingham, Diversions, Interpreting, Worship Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Gloucester, Newport and Cardiff Central. Looks like it's one of their supers on this Super Voyager even. 221.
Railway service to London St Pancras. Calling at Easton, East Midlands.
There will be a Cypress Street coming in, I hope,
Leicester,
because the Hucknall service had just left, so keep an eye out for that. As we now see the service go off across country.
Bicycle spaces are at the ferry front.
Running on diesel power, 221141. Cool. Not seeing that today. There. And now going out is the service to Shipson Street. Sit this again. I completely missed the number on that. Might have been 218, didn't tell you, or 216 Demon All Night on it though. I'll be able to know once the once it's see maybe one of the two come in, but it was one of those two that was heading that service from Tottenham Lane. Also interested to think that Cross Country livery is maroon and two-tone silver, whilst the East Midlands Railway livery, well, starting with the full livery, is in the form of the, well, there's mainly full purple to silver doors really, except for the 2% on board the white doors. Passenger doors anyway. And then for the, but yeah, whilst for the meridians like these, 180s, you got the purple, you got the purple, and got the purple, grey, blue and white livery on it. Blue being dark blue. And there. And then you got like the same on the 158s, but minus the blue on it, the dark blue. Same as on the 158s and the 156s, of course. See? Yeah. But mainly for the parts at the front. But you look at contrasting it right now from the front, you could just slightly different front ends. The colours with the colours on it. It's get confusing. It's just maybe the lights that they can be easy to identify. Mind you, Archibald is going to cross country or not. He'd want to say possibly. Well, let's see what developments. Let's see what the developments bring us, won't we?
On Sunday, reduced hourly service will be in
Fortunately, only these station lifts are in operation at the moment. Because the exchange is out of order and the trams. So you've got these Stanner lifts working. First I've got the old station voice on it. And there will be another service to Phoenix Park, then Shipton Street after that. On up there. But not once the 11-12 Eastern Line Sessions and House is gone.
Platform 1A from the
So see it now.
11:70 Northern service to Leeds via Barnsley